buddy coming over to inspect my rigging. Well, apparently I got a hole, so I gotta find out where it's leaking from. Right there. So all my patches are working. That's the one I did there. I did this one also. And then my last leak is right there. See that? All right, I fixed it. You see the patch right there. There. I think it's gonna work. So now everything's good. So the dinghy is complete. Okay, everything's ready, looks like, except this. Still waiting for the bow pulpit. And they told me it'll be about 2 more weeks. We're in April 2026, and I won't be able to leave till late April or first week of May. I'll keep everybody posted. Thanks for watching, and I probably won't put another video out for about another couple weeks or 3 weeks. Got my chain here, good to go. I marked them this way. I think this will work this time. 85 feet of chain. I'm gonna splice it tomorrow. And then I'll call it a day. Be back in a couple of weeks. So that's what's going on. Yep. Been waiting here for at least a week and a half. But they told me they won't be ready for a while. Won't be long. Thanks for watching.